So today we're going to be talking about the best of tile of 2023. I am Francisca Alonso and the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects Plus Builders.
Hi, my name is David Benson, president at Architessa. We've been in the tile and stone and flooring industry for over 38 years.
So David, looking back at 2023, what would you say would be one of the top trends that you've seen, like top 3 trends of 2023?
Yeah, so in tile and stone materials, I've seen 3 big trends going on. One is large format. So things that are 24 inches by 48 inches or larger. So that's the number 1 trend there. Second, I would definitely say subway tiles and more of a rectangular subway wall tile. That's definitely number 2.
It's coming back, actually.
It is, it's coming back.
Yeah.
Number 3, I would say the frontier pavers, outdoor paver porcelain tiles have definitely been on the rise for 2023.
What would you say that would be like the most unique material innovation that you have seen, maybe 1 or 2 in 2023?
Yeah, I would say there's been several innovations. One has been the ability to bring price down. So making porcelains more affordable and looking like natural stones or looking like a concrete or that plaster feel in a tile. So that's number 1, bringing the affordability down. And then number 2, biggest innovation is the slabs. So whether it's a countertop or feature wall, is making porcelains in a very large format, 5 feet by 10 feet.
I have seen that in many of our clients want this large format slabs to be like artwork.
Instead of painting a wall or having some sort of wallpaper, you can achieve that similar look with a porcelain and a big slab, and it's way easier to clean.
Right.
Yeah.
And very stunning.
Yeah, definitely.
So I know that this is a big topic for a lot of our clients, and sustainability and just being conscious about Mother Earth. So tell me how you guys achieve that with your tile products.
In sustainability, we really lean on our manufacturers since we have over 60 manufacturers that make porcelain and ceramics. Mm-hmm. And they are the ones that are, thankfully, we're pushing them to be innovative on what materials go into making it, as well as the whole process. So from buying trees in other countries to, using solar panels on the roofs of their warehouses for that energy, to lowering the gas output and using different types of fuel to burn in the kilns. Those are just some small ways they're making an impact on the energy used. But the cool part is in the porcelain and ceramic world, when you look at the life cycle of products compared to, let's say, an LVT, other different materials, porcelain and ceramic have the longest lifespan of, I believe it's over 70 to 90 years, where the other products have a lower life cycle cost. We've made a whole page on sustainability on our website that anybody can access, and you can see which products are HPD and EPD certified. Mm-hmm. We take it very seriously.
I think that's great. And I think the fact that you're demanding that from your suppliers, it's making them be more aware with how important it is.
Right, definitely.
So looking back at 2023, what is, your top 3 best sellers?
So what we sell the most of and what I like the most or what you like the most are a little different, unfortunately. But our number 1 seller is still that subway tile, and
it's back.
A white subway tile, seriously back. Second would be the porcelain tiles and gray concrete are big sellers. Usually like a light gray, because then they can pair it with a warmer tone. However, I am seeing on the trending side, color ranges go more warm.
Everything goes in cycles, right? You had the darks, and then everybody wanted white. And, and then we started going, well, how about all gray? But now we're like seeing that you want a little bit of that wood look combined with the gray to kind of soften the gray.
Yeah.
That's what we've seen in architecture and construction of our homes. We've seen that trend there. So what would you say would be the most unique tile in 2023 that you're hoping that will transfer to 2024?
Oof, that's a tough one. You know, after 20 years of being in the industry, it's hard to like have a desire of something new to come out, but we're always seeing new innovative products. My ideal tile or look would be a textured stone, the dimensional stone that can be used inside or outside. That's what I would really love to see. People doing more outdoor kitchens.
Like a thin veneer that can, you know, transfer from indoor outdoor, and then you have the glass partition, and it truly gives you that indoor outdoor feel.
Right?
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that would be my favorite. So final thoughts looking back, your favorite?
Favorite, if we look back on 2023.
Yes. What would you put in your house if you were doing your house on the main floor?
Oh, on the main floor.
Foyer.
I would honestly lean towards squares. So I love, you know, a really big square tile. So whether that's 24 by 24 or 32 by 32 in more of a concrete look. I love that when there's a pattern to it. So it's not just plain stamped concrete, but, you know, some type of design or pattern within it that you can see throughout the whole space. And I love the squares because they just open up the space more.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to sit with us and talk about the best of 2023 in tile.
Thank you all for listening today. If you want to get in touch with a sales design consultant at Architessa, please reach out at sales@architessa.com or just visit our website at architessa.com. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching today. And if you're interested in building your dream house, reach out to us at www.avarchitectsbuild.com or at info@avarchitectsbuild.com. Thank you.